Mediterranean sophistication meets relaxed California luxury at this magnificent estate within the exclusive Poway community of the Heritage, just outside of San Diego. Designed by renowned architect Paul Thoryk, every inch of the elegant interior is brimming with bespoke finishes. Combined with an outdoor entertaining space worthy of a 5-star resort, this home does not disappoint. Set on 1 acre overlooking the Madeiras Country Club golf course, this Mediterranean classic was built in 2003 and offers 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms in under 10,000 square feet of living space. A gate front courtyard with fountain and a columned pergola leading to the front entrance. A grand foyer with soaring rotunda, dome ceiling, and alabaster chandelier segues to an elegant display of wood beam ceilings, corbels, marble shelving, cabinets with hand-carved molding, and sumptuous faux painting. Impressive in scale and detail, the luxurious interior is an equally perfect canvas for lavish entertaining as well as intimate family gatherings. The interior spaces including great room, formal dining, and gourmet kitchen. An exquisite master suite located on the main level features natural stone walls, a fireplace, steam shower, granite floors, marble counters, and a beautiful sitting area that overlooks the serene exterior grounds. A nearby guest suite with private entrance is self-contained and offers a game room, exercise room, media room, wine cellar, and chef's kitchen. A second master suite rests at the top of the elegant staircase and boasts a living room loft with wood beam ceiling, marble fireplace, luxurious bath, and private balcony. Additional amenities include outdoor entertaining areas featuring majestic panoramic views, an infinity pool, spa, and lush landscaping. Soak up the sun and heavenly Southern California weather while you take in stunning panoramic views of the Madeiras Country Club and surrounding mountains. The Heritage is located 25 miles from the entertainment, nightlife, and natural beauty of La Jolla and San Diego proper. The home is listed for sale for $5 million.